was like a senior version of Loki. I was able to rescue him. So I said, maybe ito na yung time na i-forgive ko na himself. Like Loki came back to me several years later as a senior.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So
Parang relieve mo na.
That was a closure I needed after so many years. Pero yung grabe, after that, I really wanted to end Motion.
No! My gosh! Kawawa yun ba?
Exactly. Pero, ano lang, nag-change lang ako ng perspective that time. Nasabi ko, well, from now on, it's always gonna be for you.
That's who.
Every time
You honor him by doing that.
every time I rescue a dog, it's for Loki. It's for Loki. Or whenever I meet a new dog, maybe this is Loki in another form. This is my time na mawi. Because it's so hard and so many people actually still don't know how to manage.
Oh, cutie Bella!
Oh my god!
Pixie! Pixie! Pixie jelly in the back.
But this is her best friend.
They
steal food and eat together.
Oh, Lolo po love mama. Lolo po loves mama. And Scouty. Yeah. Ay, sus! Ay, sus naman! Sweet, my God!
The cutest.
Trying to explain, it's like I'm half awake, waiting for a change. Here it's all